How to embed Twitter feed on Shopify. Log into your Taggbox widget account or else create new account. Select Create Widget button, enter widget name and save your changes. Select the feed source to fetch feeds. Here we are using Twitter. Enter the hashtag to fetch feeds and click on Create Feed. Now the feeds will appear on your dashboard. Now it's time to embed the Instagram feed on Shopify, so click on Embed Widget. Here select Shopify. And now click on Get Code and copy this embed code. Log in to your Shopify account. Now go to the online store and select Pages. And then click on Add Page. Enter the title for your Shopify page. Now paste the embedded code in the content section and save your changes. Now in last click on View Page. Great, you have successfully embedded the Twitter feed on Shopify.